Here we have a Volkswagen Touareg. Now it's a 3 litre TDI SCR 4Motion R-Line 286 PS. Now the car, it speaks for itself, and it has a great spec as well, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, a rear view camera, silver roof rails, a dynamic road sign display, lane assist, a forward collision warning, distance monitoring, and 20-inch Braga alloy wheels. Now the boot, it just pops open. It's huge, and it even comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has 4-zone climate control, heated front seats, and a wireless smartphone charger. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.